Gentlemen, congratulations. You just signed your papers on the purchase of Ivanhoe.
Started from ground zero, now I'm a legend. You can't keep me away from something I was destined. I've been making moves, I've been learning lessons. I've been breaking bread with all of my best friends. Started from ground zero, now I'm a legend. You can't keep me away from something I was destined. I've been making moves, I've been learning lessons. I've been breaking all this bread with all of my best friends. Big blue face moves, haters hoping I'ma lose. They gon' be waiting forever cause I'm blowing through the roof. 50 grand on some land, I'm a dozen.
What up guys, what we're doing today is called a double close, okay? So if you guys don't know what that is, it's an A to B transaction where A, I'm buying the property, and B, I'm reselling it to somebody else, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys what that is here in a second. I'll talk to you in a bit.
Hi, I'm Teresa Warnett, owner, vice president, and lead escrow officer at My Title Company of Texas. We are going to do what we call a pass-through closing.
A pass-through closing?
Yes.
What is another term for that?
A double closing.
A double closing, that's amazing.
Pass-through is ours. Gentlemen are going to buy it simultaneously, same time, then they're going to sell it within the right house. It has to be the same day. We're going to take care of everything at the same time.
Now, why would a title company want to do this?
Well, because we love you.
Oh, yeah, well, that's true. That sounds true.
Well, I just want to keep it real. Why do we want to do this? Well, we want to do this to accommodate the client. Then we have to follow the guidelines of Texas Department of Insurance and to make sure it's done correctly. They're not the easiest ones to do, but we can cure title on A and then pass it right through to the next buyer. It's all about financing and making sure we're using everybody's money for the right purposes, but it's a great transaction.
This is 100% legal, correct?
It is, if it's done right.
If it's done correctly.
we have to notify the proper parties, the full disclosures. There's certain things that have to be done to accredit it, but it's called a pass-through closing with all the proper notifications. And yes, if it's done correctly according to the guidelines, there's nothing wrong with it. Gentlemen, congratulations. You just signed your papers on the purchase of Ivanhoe. Once the seller signs and we close, and as you know, I know you're preaching to the choir, Gigi, but closing is at funding.
Oh yeah, of course.
So that takes care of this one. And then, excuse me, and this is you are now selling Ivanhoe. Did you enjoy the purchase of the property?
Oh yeah, it lasted my whole life. We're gonna miss this property.
Does it seem like a lifetime has passed since we
My kids grew up there. I don't know how to do it.
I know, let's take a moment.
Pour one
Yeah.
at the time that was lost.
Title company disclosure, initial zero seller side,
So what we're doing right now is reselling the property, correct?
100%.
That is awesome. So we just literally owned it for like 5 minutes. Not even that actually, it was probably like 30 seconds.
It was a good 5 minutes.
It was a good 5, okay.
Okay, so it's Q if you'll sign here. State of Texas, we cannot prepare legal documents or alter legal documents.
Do I need to do print a name or
We
something?
can take that for you, the girls know, and I'll take that one here. So basically, congratulations gentlemen, you just sold Ivanhoe.
Awesome, awesome. Guys, so this is Teresa. Love her, appreciate her, okay?
Thank
I'm gonna
y'all.
put her information where their title company is, and you guys go forward and bring your closings to her.